the tractor won't start today. It didn't start yesterday. Let's see. Listen. It starts. But I don't think it recharges the battery. I put it in the shed and we will see what it does. Today we have storm aphid, so the wind is blowing very, very hard. So as you could see, it only had about 12.7 volts, and I'd like it to be 14 or more, so I don't think it recharges. So we're going to disconnect the battery, and I think we take the alternator off and we have a company check it out. So let's put you somewhere. So I'm checking the battery fluid. All the cells are full. So that's probably not the problem. We did recharge it, and then it was good for a few starts, and then it didn't want to start again. So I think it's the alternator. There it is, the alternator. Connections, the belt. Let's first get the tension of the belt, and then we try to get it off. think the GoPro battery died. But I got the tension of the belt, so I can take it off, I hope. Yes. A few wires left. That one. This too. And then it's off. So it's fixed. A few new bearings and a new, I don't know how it's called in English. Regulateur. I will put it in the screen. So now put it back on the tractor and it should be good to go. Kick again. So, put the cups back. Another tractor, but I think the same problem. Let's see if it starts. So again, take the battery off and take the alternator off. Yesterday, so now we take it away again to the shop where they can fix it, and hopefully it's back. So the old one was beyond repair, so we got ourselves a new one. Let's put it back together. So that one is also fixed. So I hope you also enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, I forget something. And I have to put that cover on over there. And give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.